I was listening to an AI podcast on my commute last week. Two incredibly realistic hosts were breaking down a 40-page research paper I had been avoiding for 3 weeks, and right in the middle, I interrupted them. I just spoke my question out loud, and they stopped, answered my exact question, using the exact source I had uploaded, then jumped right back into the discussion. That is NotebookLM in 2026, and it is completely free. No credit card, no subscription, just a Google account. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you everything this tool can do, including 6 major features that shipped in the last 6 months that almost nobody knows about. If you last used NotebookLM more than 3 months ago, you are working with an outdated mental model. This video fixes that. Every other AI tool you have used, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, pulls answers from their entire training data. That is why they hallucinate. They fill in gaps with confident-sounding guesses. NotebookLM works differently. It only answers from the sources you upload. If the answer is not in your documents, it tells you so instead of making something up. And every single answer comes with clickable citations. You click any sentence in the response, it jumps you to the exact passage in the exact document where that answer came from. You upload your sources into what NotebookLM calls a notebook. Think of it as a private knowledge base built from your content. That notebook becomes your personal AI expert on that exact subject, grounded in real sources. No guessing, no invention. This is why NotebookLM is trusted differently from general chatbots. A lawyer can upload case files. A researcher can upload 50 academic papers. A business owner can upload their entire policy manual. And NotebookLM becomes an expert on that exact content. And the most important thing I will say in this entire video, your data is never used to train Google AI models. It is your private notebook. What goes in, stays in. Let me give you the exact free plan limits, verified against Google official documentation as of May 2026. 100 notebooks, 50 sources per notebook. Each source can be up to 500,000 words or 200 megabytes. 50 chat queries per day, 3 audio overviews per day, 10 deep research sessions per month. That covers the needs of almost every student, professional, researcher, or content creator watching this video. One important thing about the limits, they reset on a rolling 24-hour window tied to when you first used the feature, not midnight. So if you used your third audio overview at 3 p.m., your reset is 3 p.m. the next day. No countdown inside the app. You find out when it blocks you. Here is every source type NotebookLM accepts in 2026. PDF files, Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets directly from your drive. Microsoft Word documents, PowerPoint files, CSV data files, public YouTube video URLs. It pulls the full transcript, website URLs, MP3 and WAV audio recordings, images including PNG, JPEG, HEIC, and WebPEPU. Ebook files added in March 2026. Gemini chats sync your Gemini conversation history as a source. And any deep research report the AI generates can itself become a source. The power here is cross-format synthesis. Upload a PDF white paper, a YouTube conference talk, a Google Sheet of data, and your own Word notes. Then ask a single question that draws on all of them simultaneously. NotebookLM cites which source answered which part. One important note. Each notebook is independent. NotebookLM cannot search across multiple notebooks at the same time. Keep related sources together in one notebook. This is the feature that made NotebookLM go viral, and in 2026, it is significantly more powerful than when people first discovered it. Audio Overview takes any combination of sources in your notebook and generates a podcast-style discussion between 2 AI hosts, not robotic text-to-speech. 2 characters who banter, build on each other's points, use analogies, and make the content genuinely engaging. A 40-page PDF becomes a 12-minute podcast. A YouTube lecture becomes a conversational summary you can listen to while commuting. Your research notes become a discussion you can play at the gym. The 4 audio formats. You now choose from 4 formats. Deep Dive is the original, a full exploration of all key ideas, 10 to 15 minutes. Brief is a 2 to 3 minute summary for when you need the headlines fast. Critique has the hosts challenge the arguments and identify weaknesses in your sources. Debate presents opposing perspectives on a controversial topic, all supported in over 80 languages. Now here is the feature that genuinely shocked me. While the podcast is playing, you click a join button. You are now in the conversation. You speak your question out loud or type it, and the hosts stop, answer your exact question using your uploaded sources with citations, and then return to where they left off. This is not a separate chat. You are literally interrupting the podcast, and it pulls answers from your documents specifically, no generic internet answers. If a host mentions a concept you do not understand, you interrupt. If they reference a stat you want to verify, you interrupt. If you want them to go deeper on one section, you interrupt. It turns passive listening into active learning. Stanford's Digital Learning Lab found audio-based learning helps professionals process information 3 times faster than traditional reading. Interactive mode makes that even more powerful because the learning loop is immediate. Deep Research is the feature that transformed NotebookLM from a note-taking tool into a complete research hub. You type a research question. NotebookLM creates a research plan, browses hundreds of websites on your behalf, refines its search as it learns, and generates an organized, citation-backed report in a few minutes. While it is running in the background, you keep working. Add your own files, read other sources, do other tasks. When the report is ready, you import both the report and all the source links directly into your notebook as sources. 2 modes. Fast research for a quick scan, returns results immediately. Deep research for a full briefing, takes a few minutes but produces a comprehensive, multi-page report with categorized findings. The critical difference from other deep research tools, in NotebookLM, the report is just the beginning. Once imported, you can generate an audio overview from it, create flashcards, build a slide deck, or run more chat queries. Everything keeps building on itself. Free plan gives you 10 deep research sessions per month. That is 10 full research briefings on 10 different topics, each covering hundreds of sources at zero cost. The Studio panel is where NotebookLM becomes extraordinary. It is a one-click content factory on the right side of the screen. You upload your sources once and generate 8 different types of output from them. 1. Audio overview. Already covered. Podcast discussion in 4 formats, 80+ languages, interactive mode. 2. Video overview. Video overview is the audio podcast with visuals added, animated slides with voiceover narration. Choose from visual styles including whiteboard, kawaii, watercolor, and classic. Great for visual learners and shareable as a study resource. 3. Slide deck plus PPTX export. Upload your sources and NotebookLM builds a complete slide deck. The February 2026 update added individual slide revision. You can fix or rewrite a single slide without regenerating the entire presentation. Queue multiple edits, regenerate once. Export as PPTX. One honest caveat. When opened in PowerPoint, slides render as image layers, not fully editable objects. Use it for narrative structure and storytelling, then refine in PowerPoint if needed. 4. Infographics. Now 10 styles. NotebookLM generates infographics that visually summarize your sources. In March 2026, 10 new predefined styles launched. Sketchnote, kawaii, professional, scientific, anime, clay, editorial, instructional, bento grid, and bricks. Auto selects the best style or you choose manually. 5. Mind map. Generates a visual diagram organizing the high-level ideas and relationships across all your sources. Great for understanding how concepts connect before diving deeper. 6. Flashcards. Auto-generates flashcards from your specific sources, not generic internet knowledge. March 2026 update added progress saving across sessions, got it and missed it sorting, shuffle mode, and a results screen that lets you rerun only the cards you missed. 7. Quiz. Generate a practice quiz with multiple choice or short answer questions grounded in your uploaded content. Choose number of questions, difficulty level, and topic focus. Answer key includes citations back to your sources. 8. Reports. One-click document generation, study guides, briefing docs, FAQs, timelines, or use the suggested formats option. NotebookLM analyzes your sources and suggests the most useful report directions based on what you uploaded. 6 real workflows, 6 completely different audiences. Students, upload a 40-page textbook chapter. Generate flashcards for the key terms. Run a quiz to find your gaps. Listen to the audio overview on the bus. Use interactive mode to clarify what you missed. Never read the same dense passage 12 times again. Researchers, run deep research on a topic to find 40 relevant papers. Import the best ones. Ask cross-source questions that would take hours manually. Export a structured briefing. Add it as a source for another notebook. Knowledge compounds. Business, teams, upload your entire policy manual, SOPs, meeting notes, and training documents. NotebookLM becomes a private AI expert on your company that answers with citations. New employees stop asking the same questions. The answer is always there and always sourced. Content creators, upload your research for an upcoming video. Generate an audio overview to understand the key angles. Use the mind map to plan your narrative structure. Build a slide deck to organize your points. The output is not the content. It is the preparation that makes your content better. Lawyers and compliance teams. Upload regulatory documents, contracts, and case files. Ask specific questions and get cited answers. What does Section 4.2 actually say? Does this contract contradict that regulation? NotebookLM answers from your documents, not from a general knowledge base. Developers, upload your entire API documentation, codebase architecture notes, and internal runbooks. Ask questions about specific logic. Get answers grounded in your actual codebase, not generic Stack Overflow patterns. Treat it as the junior developer who has read everything. My channel does not do hype, so here is what NotebookLM cannot do. Notebooks are isolated. You cannot search across multiple notebooks simultaneously. If your research spans 3 different notebooks, you have to query each one separately. 50 sources per notebook on the free plan. For most use cases, this is plenty. For academic systematic reviews with hundreds of papers, you will need the paid plan or to organize across multiple notebooks. Slides export as image layers in PPTX, not fully editable objects in PowerPoint. Good for structure and narrative, not ideal if you need to redesign individual elements. Deep research sometimes returns paywalled sources. One user test found 14 out of 40 suggested sources were behind paywalls. You can still use the report, just cannot read those specific sources inside NotebookLM. Interactive audio mode has limited language support compared to the 80+ language audio generation. The interactive conversation feature works best in English currently. For large-scale academic research needing 300+ sources, the paid Plus plan at $7.99 per month is the right move. For almost everything else, the free tier is genuinely more than enough. Quick decision framework. 4 questions, 30 seconds. Question 1. Do you need answers from your own specific documents? Yes, NotebookLM is the right tool. Question 2. Do you need the AI to research the web and find sources for you? Yes, use deep research inside NotebookLM. Question 3. Do you need real-time internet answers about current events? No, NotebookLM is not a web search engine. Use Perplexity for that. Question 4. Do you need to generate creative content, write code, or chat generally? No, NotebookLM is built for understanding sources, not open-ended generation. Use Claude or ChatGPT for that. NotebookLM is the most powerful tool in the world for understanding what is inside your specific documents. Nothing else comes close at this price, which is $0. Here is everything NotebookLM can do for free in 2026. Upload 13 different file types into 100 private notebooks. Chat with your sources with full citations. Run deep research across hundreds of websites. Generate AI podcast discussions in 4 formats across 80 languages. Interrupt those podcasts live in interactive mode. Build slides, infographics, mind maps, flashcards, and quizzes from a single click. All powered by Gemini 3. All at $0 cost. The 6 major updates from October 2025 through March 2026. The 1 million token context, deep research, Gemini 3, slide editing with PPTX export, the new infographic styles, and improved flashcards. Make this a completely different tool than what most people think they know. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Upload one document you have been meaning to read. Generate an audio overview. In 5 minutes, you will understand why this is the most powerful free AI tool available in 2026. If this was the clearest explanation of NotebookLM you have found, subscribe to AiMineLab. I break down AI tools like this every week. No hype, no paid promotions, just honest breakdowns of what actually works. Drop a comment below. What is the first notebook you are going to build? I read every one. See you next week.